Breakfast drive-through. Can you take your order, please?
Can I have a medium Americano, please?
Would you like any milk with that?
Certainly not. Makes the beginning of the day a lot better, a lot more reachable, a lot more attainable, a lot more enjoyment. Good morning, everyone. How are we today? Excellent. Still absolutely knackered this morning. Yesterday's vlog, Gatorade to Quick Fit, took quite some time to edit and upload, so I'm a bit tired this morning. Didn't realise that we're going to take that long, but it's the kind of things I'm doing for everybody, keeping the entertainment rolling. No sun today, hence no shades. Rain, unfortunately. Not a lot of it, but it's still raining. But I'm working, so it doesn't really matter. Today's vlog, guys, I think I'm going to try and keep to a short one, because I've got quite a bit of tidying in the house to do tonight when I get home, and I won't have a lot of time to upload. So keep it short and sweet today. I always say that, and it ends up being like 8-9 minutes long. Excuse me, sorry guys. Just put it in one of my 3 cup holders. So yeah, I'll try and keep it short as I can today, with a bit of fun put in there somewhere. Morning guys, in my office now. Brought the towel. Need that. TP's here.
Morning everybody.
TP.
Morning.
What vehicle have you come in this morning, Tony?
I've come on the old 2-wheel variety this morning, the old push iron.
And look at the weather.
I know.
In your car yesterday?
Beautiful. Home top driving today. Raining.
Yeah. Did you take your roof down?
Yeah, I'm a skidley on, so we're alright.
Oh dear. Let's see what today brings, eh?
Still flying low there without a licence.
Breakfast. Lunchtime. Light snack. Give us a kiss, Rog. Look at this, everybody. Look at this guy. Hello, sir. This gentleman's putting in front of my office. I mean, look at it. Couldn't have put it worse in front of my office. I'm going to be high as a kite today. Just had one of them coffees, guys, and I mean, they couldn't put out anything better outside of my office. Absolutely. I'm not going to get any work done now. That's trouble. Shaz.
Hey,
good morning, sir.
No.
How are we?
Not too bad, thank you.
Yeah, good. You were off yesterday, a bit ill.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling
Said he had, what were it?
my foot.
He said he had a fever, but then he's come in this morning and said his foot's wrong.
Both were wrong, though. Both were.
So... I think I'll have to get one of them coffee machines.
Stuart said it were alright. It's only like having. Hello? What are you doing?
Fucking hell, Dan. I can't see anything else. Where am I?
I can see future.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, the fight.
Yeah, no.
This is alright. 160 beast.
Morning, Mr. Hussain.
Morning.
How are you, sir? Look what he's having. He's been pulled in. Good man. That's what I'm waiting for.
What,
Is
what
it
are
ready?
you going to try this time? No, not yet, not yet.
A short espresso.
It keeps filling it up.
Or
quite slowly.
ristretto.
What, espresso?
Ristretto.
Ristretto. That's ready. Would you like a lid?
Please. Otherwise, my cards.
I'm not going to be on a channel, am I?
Yeah?
Yes.
I'm wanted by the police.
Well, you know where he is now.
Thank you, Andy.
No problem,
Thank you,
sir.
gentlemen.
No problem.
I'll see you tomorrow. Then.
Okay.
Good man.
Oh, it's you again.
Me again. Like I'm here all the time.
Right, what would you like?
It's you that I've been waiting to find. It's you that I've been waiting to find.
Couldn't have another coffee, guys, and that's a first for me. Could not have another one. Having said that, just before I left work, which I obviously have at the moment, I went back to the machine and I thought I'll get one for the road, but the guy had gone and it says do not touch. So I was like, oh, damn. But I'll probably have one when we get home. And every cloud has a silver lining. Apparently, he is with us for another 2 weeks. So, bonus. That's my 2 weeks sorted at work anyway. Don't even need to go to Costa anymore. My machine in the office will be running stale. But it is. We're running out of electric. At this moment in time, I don't actually know how long today's vlog is, obviously. So, because I said this morning I was going to keep today's vlog short because I'm going to be quite busy tonight and I don't want to be spending all night editing and uploading, you know. I can't do the same things every day, guys. I mean, yesterday's video, what, 19 minutes long, give or take? It can't be good every day, but it's never bad. I'd like to say that. I'd like to think that it's never bad. I hope you're entertained and enjoying them. So, on that note, I will bid you farewell, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow again. Keep the comments coming, keep the thumbs up coming, keep the subscriptions coming, guys. Said that quite eloquently, didn't I? Quite a hard word to say when you've had about 8 coffees all day. Petrol again. Oh. Diesel next. The next car is going to be a diesel. So, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one.